This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Guys, about 2 or 3 days ago, I did a video where I told you guys that Citadel is desperate for cash. They claim they made billions in 2023, billions in 2024, yet somehow they keep taking out loans. Somehow Ken Griffin is offering to sell a percentage of his company. Somebody who's making billions of dollars in real profit does not need to sell bonds, does not need to sell part of their business. When you're selling bonds, when you're selling part of your business, you are in financial difficulties. And now the situation is even worse than I thought. Citadel sold on Wednesday $1 billion in bonds, not just $500 million, but $1 billion in bonds. I guess those AMC GME short positions really has them trapped. Citadel is trapped in the place. Now, do I know exactly what place Citadel is trapped in? I do not, because, of course, Citadel doesn't have to file 13Fs, because they would go after Elon Musk if he didn't file, but Citadel could file fraudulent 13Fs, or even, like we learned 4 years ago, these bad actors can actually go to the SEC and say, oh, we want to lie in our 13Fs because we don't want people seeing our trading practices, our trading theory, our trading strategy. And the SEC allows them to file fake 13Fs that don't reveal their true positions. Let me tell you something. If Citadel thought they needed $500 million and then doubled it to $1 billion, that tells you that the situation is a lot worse than even Citadel thought. Because at first, they only announced they were selling $500 million. Now we find out they had to sell $1 billion in bonds. So they accumulated another $1 billion in debt. Does that sound to you like a company that's doing well? Or does that sound like a company that's hanging on by their fingernails? And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell Citadel bonds, but I'm going to tell you this. Those are junk bonds, in my opinion. This is just my opinion. Those are junk bonds, and more than likely, Citadel might not be around in 5 to 7 years. Citadel is hanging on by their fingernails. And if Trump put somebody in charge of the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI who goes after the naked shorters, Citadel might not be around in 2026. They might have to be like Archegos and disappear. So anybody who's buying these Citadel bonds, I hope you get more than 1.9% interest rate, because you are buying a highly risky financial item, okay? Highly risky. I do not believe that Citadel is going to be able to make good on those bonds in 5 years, and definitely not 7 years. Everything I'm seeing with Citadel, unless some politician gives them some big bailout, Citadel is not going to be around, in my opinion, to pay those bonds in 5 years from now or 7 years from now. A company that's claiming they made billions of dollars does not attempt to sell part of their company, does not first claim that they need $500 million in bonds, and then sells $1 billion, because even they underestimated the hole that they were in. And if we could look at their books, those shares sold not yet purchased, I bet you a lot of that is AMC and GME naked shorts and FTDs. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think Citadel is in deep financial trouble? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.